Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuts by Reggie. Back with another video, quick one, not too long, right? If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike, and everything else that comes along with being on social media, right? What's up with everybody? Hopefully everybody's having a good start to their new year. I know we're a little into the new year, but still, hopefully you're having a good start to your new year. So today we have a unboxing, slight review of the Caliber shavers that just dropped, right? They actually sent these to me. Shout out to Caliber, J1, what's going on? Shout out to Caliber for getting this out to me. Excuse me. On their website, this is $99.99, right? So you're looking at $100 for a shaver from Caliber. So, and it's all black. So we was going through this one phase in the barber industry where everybody was going gold, right? Everything was gold. Now it seems like everything is going like black, right? You got this, Stylecraft just dropped the Rebel. The Saber trimmer, all black. Babyliss just dropped the FX's matte black, all black. That's like everybody's pushing to, which me personally, I like it. I want all my stuff black, all right? Black and red. If y'all ever watch some of my, black and red, all right? But let's go in to see what's in this shaver or what it includes, right? It's a full metal body, 2 hours of runtime, high speed rotating motor, stainless steel blades, and it has the 3 cutting blades, so you'll get that middle cutter that comes along with some of this. This says 10,000 RPM, all right? So that's the motor. So we open it, and I have used it, but I did put it back in the box. So that's, when I say all black, it's all black, right? Comes with its charging dock. So I like that. Comes with its own charging dock. It got this carrying case if you want to travel with it. It would have been nice if it had like Caliber written on it somewhere. That should have been black too and had Caliber written on it. You can get the pamphlet, and it comes with its charging cord. USB charging. A lot of things are coming with USB. I've been talking about it. But with this, they actually send you a block, right? So you ain't got to worry about, now, again, a lot of people probably already got a lot of blocks, but I do like if everything is gonna go to the USB charging, some of them come with it, included, right? I like that. So you got, that's what everything that comes in a box is $99.99 on the website. They sent this to me, so as far as shipping time, I don't know for sure. I'm not thinking it's gonna take that long once you order, because it's not a pre-order thing. It's already on the site, available, ready to go, all right? Get this out of here. And this is design, the design, right? And it does put you in the mind of the Babyliss. Give me a second. It does kind of put you in the mind of one of the FX2 shavers, lid and everything, which is cool. It's a little bit lighter than this though, which is still an all metal body, but it's a little bit lighter than the FX2. But either way, this is the design, all right? Again, and you get these, and you got the 3 cutter blades in it. You got the 2 shaver blades, if I can get it to see it. Got the 2 foils, 1 cutter blade in the middle, and that helps with getting longer hair and stuff. And we're gonna talk about usage in a second. Power button on the side. Take the foils off from here, and that's the charger. And it does, again, come with its own charging stand, which I like, all right? But the difference between some of the others is the display. I like this display not only because it has the time and like how much you got left, the percentage or whatever. I mean, it tells you when to charge it. It tells you when you need to oil it. It tells you all that stuff. But I like that they got Caliber written up there, right? It's a small display screen, but enough room to put the name brand in there. I like that. Small detail, but I like it. And that is the sound of it. Not loud at all. And let's talk about the usage of it, right? The usage of this was very smooth. So, you know how sometimes when you're using foils and you're going across the stubble hairs, it feel like a grinding. I don't know how to explain it, but if you use foils, you know what I'm talking about. It's like a grinding to get across the hair. Some of them are smooth with it, and some of them are kind of rough. Like the FX2s, great with it. The FX3s, I love these. These are my favorite shavers that I've been using. But all right. So one of the other barbers came in, scared the shit out of me, right? So now I don't even know where the fuck I was. Let's get it though. So you got the shaver, $99.99 from the website. As far as third parties, I don't know if anybody is selling this for at this moment. I'm pretty sure maybe somebody will later, but I don't know at this moment. But as far as usage, right? You get 2 hours of runtime. With a shaver, for the most part, you're probably not gonna hit that runtime unless you're doing a bunch of bald fades, bald heads. But it does come with a charging dock. But as far as going through hair, and I was trying to explain how sometimes the shaver's got like a grindness to it. This was the smoothest shaver that I have used. I'm talking about going against the grain. Besides my Pitbull home usage shaver, this was one of the smoothest ones that I used. That middle blade right there, I'm talking about. For a shaver, yes, you gotta cut it down a little bit to get it clean. With this, leave the hair on there, start going. It's gonna take you some passes, but it's gonna go through it without irritation. It's not pulling the hair, it's not tugging at the hair. I'm talking about very smooth. It's not as heavy as or it don't have as much weight. I won't say heavy. It don't have as much weight as a FX2, but it is heavier than the FX3 that I use, right? But that weight that it does have helps with the glidiness of it. So I think if anybody I don't know if they have any other color of this, which I don't want them to come out with another color, right? I like the color that they have on there. That all black, right? LED display, waterproof. Oh, and it is waterproof. I didn't drop this in the water to use it. I have done that with other shavers like the Andes shaver, I put it in water. The Pitbull home shaver, I put it in water. If it says waterproof, I'm just gonna believe it unless I think otherwise. But you can use this in the water. So that's more or less for your home usage and stuff like that. I mean, and I guess you can use it on wet hair or wet skin, whatever. But it does say waterproof. Overall usage is great. It's very smooth. I'm not gonna jump out there and say I'm putting it over any other shaver yet, but I've used a bunch of shavers in between starting the FX3. This has been my go-to, but even with adding other shavers, this is the only one that I have not really wanted to go ahead and put away and say, okay, I used it, but let me get back to my FX3. This have been very useful to me, right? So this will stay on my stand for a little bit longer at least. Will it take over the FX3? I don't know. But as of right now, it's putting up a very, very good fight. So that is I was about to say Bageless because I looked at it and said, but that is the Caliber foil shaver, $99 on their website. All in all, should you buy it? I say give it a shot. If you're looking for a new shaver, definitely give it a shot. If you're trying to see what else is out there, what's good, definitely give it a shot. My discount code for Caliber is Reggie10. And if I'm saying there, it's Reggie10 or Reggie15. But it's right here. Reggie10 or 15. It's right there though, right? So if you want to buy it, make sure you go to the website, use the discount code, check it out. Let me know what you think. And with that being said, how do you feel about Caliber products? Leave it down in the comment section because I feel like they don't get talked about enough. But like the BMG, the 50 cal BMG and the FMJ, the Full Metal Jacket Edition clip, like they have great products. I'm gonna watch this after I got shook up. I don't know where I'm at, but we're gonna put it together. And if y'all seeing this, then thank y'all for watching. Then if you're not seeing it, then I didn't put it out and I edited another video together. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos, all that good stuff that comes along with being on YouTube. And we'll be back with another tutorial or review. And as y'all see, I'm trying to do more haircuts. The quality will be better. I just had a few haircuts in my phone, so I put them out. But I got my camera set up now, so we're gonna try to make it work. I gotta find a nice angle so you can see when I'm spinning them in the chair and all that good stuff. But we got them coming. Peace.